Hey guys, thanks for clicking on this video. I'm currently on board Crown Princess with Princess Cruises. I'm going to give you a quick cabin tour of a premium balcony. This is on Carib, which is deck 10. This is cabin 615, but you will have the same layout if you're staying in any of the premium balconies on Crown Princess. All right, so one thing to note is that you will use your medallion to enter the cabin. And usually it'll start opening your door, unlocking your door as you're approaching it. There's also Princess prizes that if you are Princess Plus or Princess Premier, you're automatically enrolled in, where if you check your door when you walk in, you might win a prize or something. But as you enter, you have muster information. You have your light switch for the closet area as well as the main cabin. Now, something unique about the cabins here on Crown Princess, and guys, I do apologize, my cabin is lived in, it is the last day of the cruise, is that it has this nice, almost walk-in closet feel. So as soon as you enter, you have this doorway here and this walk-in closet. So you have plenty of hanging space here, shelf up there, and then you have this closet here that has your safe as well as shelves for you to store your items. So that's a really nice feature of this ship. You'll also find your life jackets up there. And then here you have your restroom. Now with the restroom, it is your standard cruise restroom. I have to say the shower felt a little bit smaller on this ship than some of the other ships I've sailed on. I do like that it has an adjustable shower head and you can change the pressure there. The water pressure and the water temperature is really nice on this ship. However, you know, the shower curtain, not a huge fan of the shower curtain, and it's a little bit smaller. So if you're, you know, more than 200 pounds, you might struggle a little bit and get the shower curtain stuck to you, but you do have shower gel, shampoo there for you to use, standard toilet. And then what's cool about Princess, or I don't know if this is just for the premium cabins, is that you have hand soap and lotion from the Lotus Spa. They also, for this Alaskan cruise, gave us an eye mask, shower cap, lip balm, and a nail file. So that's pretty cool. I don't know if that comes standard with Princess. This is my first Princess cruise, but this is my 38th cruise, but first with Princess, but that's pretty cool. So again, standard restroom. Now here we are going into the main cabin. You do have a full-length mirror here, but as you enter, this is a king bed, and it felt like a true king bed. Now I have to tell you, particularly for this cabin, the bed was a little bit on the softer side for me, but it was comfortable. It was just a little bit soft. And they do have a pillow menu that you can find in the app if you want, if you have any allergies or you want a feather pillow, they do have that available in the app. As you see here, you have lamp, drawer space there. Now something to note, there aren't outlets by the bed at all. So there's only one set of outlets in this cabin, so keep that in mind. Coffee table there. And again, this is an older ship, so it does not have some of those amenities. You have a light switches there and more drawer space. You have a desk here and then more storage here. So there's plenty of storage. Now something to note, looking at the outlet, there are only 2 standard outlets. However, these are very narrow. If you take a look at them, it is almost impossible to get 2 standard plugs side by side. Keep that in mind and be sure to get an adapter or something like this that you can charge multiple devices from that one, because you're probably not going to be able to get 2 side by side. But there you have your telephone, hair dryer. Now something that I loved about this cabin is the size of that television. So really, really nice size television, and they have a lot of different shows. They have the entire Love Boat series for you to watch, so that is amazing. But love the size of this TV for the size of this cabin. It is perfect. You have a mini bar here. Now, if you are elite or if you have Princess, let me not misspeak. If you are elite, which I am for this cruise, you get 1 complimentary mini bar. So I can have this one set up throughout the cruise. Your room steward will adjust if there's something you don't drink, but you get that included. Then down here's your mini fridge. And again, because I have the minibar, I have some drinks there that I can have complimentary, but you do have a minibar in your cabin. All right, and the best part about this, which makes it a premium balcony, is that you get a larger balcony space. So this is perfect. We were in Alaska, so it was perfect to have this balcony. As you see, it is much, much larger than your standard balcony. Just come out here and take the views. Now, something to note is that if you're on deck 10 or if you're on deck 9, people can look right over at your balcony. So keep that in mind, just like people can look down on me. So if you want a little bit more privacy, I would recommend not getting the premium balcony. But what's cool is that you can stand back here in this cove area and no one can see you. But if you decide to go up to the railing or sit there, like I was sitting there at the railing, just know people can look down on you. So that is one of the things I didn't like about the premium balcony. But again, it is a perfect size balcony, especially if you have more than 2 people in your cabin. Now this one does only accommodate 2, but there are other premium balconies that accommodate more than 2. But that is it for this tour of cabin C615 on board Crown Princess. If you have any questions about this cabin, feel free to drop them. Oh, something else I wanted to mention is that this cabin has some safety features. You can see down here, there's like a sensor there to where when you get up in the middle of the night, those lights are going to come on. They're going to come on both sides of the nightstand to give you some light. And then also this light here will come on automatically as well. So nice safety features there on Crown Princess. But again, thanks for watching this cabin tour. If you like other cabin tours, ship tours, full-length cruise vlogs, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, MH Family Adventures. Thanks for watching.